Hello guys, welcome to Codograph. So, so today is the final announcement we got from Microsoft that on October 5th, you can Google it as well. On October 5th, they are releasing the Windows 11, the most uh, you know awaited thing here. Okay, so we are getting it on 11 October 5th, 2021. So there is no uncertainty now. So it is clear. So let's see what they have mentioned here. They have mentioned this today. We are thrilled to announce Windows 11 will start to become available on October 5th, and the free upgrade to Windows 11 will be rolling out. So first thing, even we need to check whether this is stable or it is having some issues or something. So people won't be migrating to Windows 11 so early. Like some of them, even if I'll wait for some time for to check what all features and all, what is the performance and how it reacts with my machine. So these things would be there, but still we have a certainty here. So what all features we are getting here? It's cleaner, fresh, clean, beautiful. Yeah, that's obvious. Then we start. We have put you and your content at the center. Start uh, utilizes the power of cloud and Microsoft 365 to show your recent files, no matter what devices you are viewing. So there will be some changes in the office tools, and now you will get a better view. Better, I mean, it's obviously that you will get a good new product for office. But to some things which were really which would have been really good if they would have provided, like the Android support. And so the Android support would be like, people, let's say somebody is using mobile phone and apps, and they have to switch from the laptop to your mobile phone to do some tasks and all. So if there would be an Android support, that would have been way better. But I think that is not yet there. So they are saying that they are doing a collaborative effort with Amazon and Intel. So there's a point here, like on the 7th, Android apps to Windows 11 and the Microsoft Store through our collaboration with Amazon and Intel. This will start with a preview for Windows insiders over the coming months, but it's not there. Okay. So, and one more thing which I liked is this one. So lots of so it seems like they are providing some good gaming things here. So that would be one good point. And Teams, Microsoft Teams is going to be integrated into your taskbar, provides a faster way to connect to the people you care about. So whoever are using Microsoft Teams would get a good support here, I feel. Widgets and new personalized feed powered by AI provides a faster way to access information you care about. And okay, so these things are there already. So but yes, you will get, you, might be they might be improved in this next version. So yeah, so anything else? We are opening the store to allow more developers and independent software vendors to bring up their apps to the store. Okay, so this is one thing that is going to be better. Yeah, so people who are developing Android apps can would be developing the Windows app as well, right? So those would be available with your machine. You can download and use it. So, okay, so that's good thing. Okay, Windows 11 is optimized for speed, efficiency improved. Yes, that's obvious. Windows 11 is operating system for hybrid work, delivering new experience that work how you work, are secure by design and easy to familiar with the IT to deploy and manage businesses. Can also test Windows 11 preview day, today in okay. So there's a virtual desktop which you can utilize. Okay. So this virtual these videos, and you can also see these things. Okay, you can read more about Windows 11 business. Okay, new gadget was addicted. Okay, so almost the same thing, but yes, we have, and there are some sessions over there. You can go and join these sessions, see these sessions, and all those things. You can follow up and see these things. Okay. Okay, so let's see what is coming in. Okay, so this is good. This is a good news that we have a certain date. Okay, then we can go back and wait for the date to get this thing published. Okay, cool. Thank you.